What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is T. Thank you so much for stopping in. Do not be a stranger. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on. You don't want to miss another upload from me. And if you are returning, you already know we are here. Welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. So right now I am basically just hanging out. It is time for me to start pulling out some of my decor that I have back in storage. The house is looking pretty plain right now. I ain't hating it, but I really do want to add some more stuff to the house. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm actually gonna shop my own decor. I'm not gonna take you in the storage room where it is. Actually, I probably should, because y'all are always like, oh, your house is always so clean. Lies. And that storage room is proof in the pudding. I know that I have some pieces in there that I'm gonna pull out before I actually go shopping. So what I usually do, if you saw my last video, I kind of went over it a little bit, but what I usually do is at the beginning of the year, sometime in January, I go and I get my notebook ready, which I have her right here. Isn't she cute? I got this from Burlington. But I pull a notebook out and I make a list of stuff that I want to do to the house. One of my favorite scriptures is Habakkuk 2:2, which basically says, write a vision and make it plain. I'm also going to go through the house. There's a couple of things that I want to do in the entryway. There's some stuff I want to do in the dining room. I'm going to write down all of that stuff. I feel like I want to do something a little bit different in here, and doing an accent wall just makes sense to me. So the big wall that is in here, it's either going to be a gallery wall, wallpaper, or a different color, and I may do something to this wall, or I may do shiplap on that wall. I don't know. It just depends. I don't know. The possibilities are endless, and my imagination can just run wild sometimes. So I do get a lot of questions on the color. The color in here is Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray. I will have it in the description box for you guys. People think that you have to go out and spend a ton of money to be able to furnish your house. Like when we first bought the house, I just sat here in the floor, no furniture, and I made a list out of the stuff that I wanted to go in the house. The TV stand that I wanted was like $3,000, but the thing about it is it was close to the one that I have now. This stuff is crazy expensive. So I wanted to start my YouTube channel to share with people that you do not have to have a ton of money to furnish your house. Like, take your time, do it right, and if you want to buy those expensive pieces, save up for it and do it that way. But if you see that you can create something without going and spending a ton of money, then do that. I wanted a TV stand that was going to be large enough for the TV that we have, because it's like a 60 or 70 inch, whatever it is. I went to this thrift store and I saw this dresser, started looking up ideas and stuff, and then me and Pinterest became like this. We was like besties before you knew it. I call it a gift that God has given me to be able to go and see a piece and to have a vision to create it into something else. And honestly, that's the way that we have furnished our house. So I wanted to start a YouTube channel to show people that you don't have to have a ton of money. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. That's not for everyone. For some people it is. If that is your style, by all means, go out, do what it is that you want to do, whatever. But I personally believe that going in debt over trying to furnish a house that you're already in debt over, I don't think that it's very smart to go and spend all of your savings trying to furnish your house. Our couches came from Ashley Furniture. It's one of the first pieces that we purchased when we moved into the house. And then the rest of the stuff kind of just came later after I got a vision for the living room. My table, the breakfast nook table, it cost me $18, and I actually got it at a thrift store. The buffet and the table in the dining room, that all cost me $36. Like, no lie. I've redid all of these things, and I actually filmed all of it except for the TV stand, and I will link all of those videos in the description box below in case you guys want to watch those. Also, the coffee table cost me $40. I was looking at a coffee table that was similar to that was gonna cost me hundreds of dollars, but I actually found this one on OfferUp, saw the vision for it, and boom, here it is. If you do happen to go to the thrift store and you're not sure what you're looking for, I do have a video on the coffee table where I gave you guys some tips and tricks whenever I am purchasing stuff secondhand. Last year was pretty much my year to fill the house up with the rest of the furniture that I want, and that's exactly what I did at the price that I wanted to. This year is gonna be about decorating and actually putting stuff on the walls. I'm gonna pull some stuff out of my storage closets, and I'm gonna start putting some stuff up. I'm gonna bring you guys with me because I did promise you on Instagram that I would take you with me. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram. The information is in the description box below, and let's go ahead and get started. Plaid is making her way in my house, and I was shocked to see her come in, but she's probably gonna stay because I love her. So I bought these pillows from Kirkland's. I thought I had shown you guys, but I guess that was on Instagram. So I bought the ones with the stripes and the one with the plaid. The old pillows, I just put them in here at the table. I don't think I'm gonna keep them here. If I do, I may switch out the covers. So I am a believer that not every video needs a voiceover throughout, and that's what we're gonna do in this one. I want you guys just to see how my mind works throughout the creative process, but don't be shy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I will answer you. I do have these placemats over here. I got these at Kirkland's. This is my grandmother's. And I got these cute little plates at Target, which were on sale at the time. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have placemats over in the breakfast nook area, which is where we eat most of the time. So I'm gonna see what this looks like over there. Kind of love it already. I do think it's really, really cute. It almost kind of completes it without having to have like this big, huge centerpiece. So that's probably what I'm going to do. It just makes it look like it's done over here. I did write down in my notebook, as you saw, that I want to get some sort of table, plant stand, or I was thinking of getting some shelves to go over here in the corner. There's a girl that I follow on Instagram. It's at The Heart and Haven, and she's like the shelfie queen. I will put her information in the description box below, but she has like some shelves over in her corner and they are absolutely stunning, and I really want to do something like that over there in that corner. I feel like that would be really, really nice. Or I may get like a table of some sort and put it right here. So I'm gonna take you around, show you what everything looks like, but I'm gonna go ahead and close this video and say thank you so much for tuning in. This year I will be working more on quality, less on quantity. I had such a blast doing this. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you are not subscribed, don't be a stranger. Feel free to do so before you leave. Follow me on Instagram. Information's in the description box below, and I will see you guys soon.